Today I'm making a gluten-free vegan dumpling, also called Jowar Lauki Mutia. It's a very quick and easy Indian recipe. It can be enjoyed in breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or even as a tea time snack. It can also be made a day ahead and enjoyed while in travel. So we need half cup sorghum flour jowar ka atta, half cup sorghum semolina jowar suji. If you do not get semolina, you can add any other flour like finger millet, 1 cup bottle gourd or lauki, fresh coriander and lemon, carom seeds, ajwain, asafoetida, hing, canned pepper, black pepper, crushed ginger and green chili paste, melted jaggery 1 tablespoon or any sweetener of your choice, fruit salt or baking soda, and spices turmeric, salt, and cumin seeds. So, first we mix all the dry ingredients: sorghum flour, sorghum semolina, salt as per your taste, turmeric half teaspoon, some cumin seeds, asafoetida pinch of cayenne pepper, pinch of black pepper. And now the most important ingredient of this dish, that is carom seeds. Crush them in hands and put for enhanced flavor. It's good for digestion also. And then the crushed garlic, green chili and ginger paste, and then mix it well. Add the fresh coriander leaves and mix well. Before adding the wet ingredients, add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda or fruit salt. Now add the melted jaggery to the dry mixture and mix it well with your hands. To this, add 2 tablespoons of oil, any vegetable oil, and mix it well. Now we add the finely grated bottle gourd and mixing everything together, we knead it into a dough. While kneading the dough, add a few drops of fresh lemon. This makes the dish a little tangy. The dough should be quite loose, not tight as that of rotis, so knead accordingly. So our dough is ready, soft and firm, not too hard, not too runny. If it becomes runny, you can add some flour and make it soft and firm. Now to make the mutias, apply some oil in your palms, take some amount of dough in hands and start rolling them in hands to make a cylindrical roll. Place all the rolls in a steamer plate with holes. Grease it with oil. So our mutias are ready to be steamed. We boiled water in a steam cooker. When you see it roll boiling like this, place the mutias plate. Cover it and let it cook for at least 20 minutes. Do not open in between to check. After 20 minutes, lower the heat and check the dumplings. To check, take a clean knife, put it in the mutias or dumplings and take it off. It should come out clean. That means they are done. So we will keep the lid closed for 5 more minutes and put off the heat. After 5 minutes, take the plate out of steamer and let the dumplings cool down. Once cool down, cut them into small uniform pieces. At this stage, you can taste, and if you think anything is less, like salt, you can add them while we do the tempering. For the tempering, take 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I have taken sesame oil here. Put the heat on medium flame. Once the oil is warm, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let it crackle. Half teaspoon of sesame seeds. This adds nice crunch to the dish. A pinch of cayenne pepper and turmeric. Mix it well, and now you can place the dumplings or the mutias over the tempering one by one. Once placed, cover and cook on medium flame for 2-3 minutes. After a few minutes, flip the sides of dumplings so that the other side also gets crispy. After flipping to the other side, do not cover the pan, just let it cook in open pan. So our crispy and crunchy gluten-free vegan dumplings are ready to serve. Enjoy them with cilantro chutney. And let me know your thoughts in comments below.